Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to make a very quick and easy eggless mango cake. Before starting the video, like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. The ingredients are 1 cup mango pulp, half cup sugar, half cup caster sugar, 1.5 cup maida, 1 cup milk, 1 teaspoon baking powder, some fresh mango cubes, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 1/4 cup melted butter, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda and 1 cup of whipped cream. First add the mango pulp in a pan. So I'm not going to use any measuring cups today. Just take any shaped regular bowl, katori, vati or whatever you call it. But बीच में change मत करना, एक ही कटोरी से measure करना throughout the recipe. Then add 1 katori regular sugar to the mango pulp and stir it continuously. After 5 minutes, the pulp will become transparent. At this point, take it off the flame and cool it down. Before making the batter, always keep your molds ready. तो पहले मोल्ड को बटर से अच्छे से ग्रीस करेंगे. अगर आपके पास parchment paper या baking paper है, then you can use that as well. Then take some flour and coat the butter completely from all the sides. Since we are not using an oven, take a big pan or kadai, place a cooker stand or any stand you have, cover it and let it preheat till we make the batter. Now for the batter, again I'm using the same katori and use regular spoons for teaspoon and tablespoon measurements. First add half katori of caster sugar. You can use powdered sugar as well. Then add 5 tablespoon or 1/4 katori of melted butter. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1 katori of milk. Whisk it nicely. To that add 1.5 katori of all-purpose flour, that is maida. Make sure to sieve the flour to make it airy. Now whisk it until there are no lumps. This is the mango glaze we made. It has got a nice jammy consistency. Add 4 tablespoons of it to the batter. Whisk it again. What I do is I always add baking powder and baking soda at the end so that we don't over whisk it. Once the batter is smooth, then add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Use a spatula to fold it in. This is the consistency we want. Transfer it into the cake mold and fill only 3/4 of the mold. Tap it gently 2 to 3 times. Then add 1/4 katori of water in the preheated pan. Place the mold on the stand. Cover it with a lid and let it cook on low flame for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the lid and check if the cake is done using a toothpick or a knife. The toothpick has come out clean, so the cake is completely cooked through. Let it cool down for 5 minutes. Till then, let's make the whipped cream. I'm taking 1 katori whipped cream. Using a beater, whip it till it gets nice stiff peaks. Then in half of the whipped cream, I'm going to add half cup mango jam. Mix it in and then chill it in the refrigerator for 5 to 10 minutes. Now you can see the cake has left the edges. Take it out of the mold. It has got a beautiful yellow color, and see how easily it comes off and how soft the cake sponge is. Let it cool down for more 5 minutes. Till then, let's make the sugar syrup. Take 2 tablespoons of sugar and half katori of water. Mix it till the sugar dissolves completely. Then cut the top part of the sponge. Don't throw it, this tastes absolutely amazing as it is. I'm going to cut it into layers, which is completely optional. You can use it as a whole sponge. Then I'm taking a base which I had. You can use a regular plate. Add a bit of cream so that the sponge sticks to it. Then place one layer of the cake sponge. Apply sugar syrup so that it remains moist. Then dip the palette knife in hot water and spread a nice thick layer of mango cream. Then add few pieces of fresh mango cubes. Spread them out evenly. And place another layer over it. Press it a bit and repeat the same procedure for as many layers as you want. For the top layer, again sprinkle some sugar syrup and add a thin layer of cream. Even it out from the sides as well. I'm not a baker, so I'm roughly doing it, and it's fine if it's not perfect. Then on top, add the mango jam or glaze. Spread it a bit. Then I'm taking the plain whipped cream and I'm going to pipe it with a star nozzle. Then take a slice of mango and cut it like so. We are just trying to give it a crisscross effect. Then push the skin and try to open it. This is something you will get. Place this on the center of the cake and this is how pretty it looks. If you don't want to do the piping and all, then just take a spoon or a knife and press it on the sides. It will look like small peaks. Then I made some lines with melted dairy milk and using a toothpick, just make alternate lines. Even this cake is very basic and looks really pretty. Try this easy and delicious recipe yourself and let us know how it was in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing recipes.